Good morning, my name is Cadet L.Haskins, and today I'll be showing you how to use a homemade tourniquet. Alright, so first, before actually touching the wound, in order to not contaminate yourself or the wound, you should put gloves on. Alright, now, first, what we're going to do is using this cloth, I'm going to begin to wrap the finger in order to stop the blood from getting out. First, and after that, I shall be using this string, and I'll be wrapping it tightly around the wound, about an inch or half an inch so above the wound, in order to make it where I can stop the blood circulation or blood flow to the finger. Alright, and the tighter it is, the better, so that I will know that no blood is getting out. Alright, now using this pin piece, I'm going to tie this in order to make a secondary way to tighten it. I will tighten it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And doing this should secure the entire bandage, stopping it from leaking out any sort of blood. And from here on, you would then call the police or call 911, wait for the medics to arrive, and then hand it over to them because they will be more experienced. In closing, thank you guys for watching this video. Again, my name is Cadet L.Haskins, and this is how to properly use a tourniquet.